Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss types of bound morpheme. There are two types of bound morphemes, derivational and inflectional. Dear viewers, let me clear to you that here in linguistics, class of word means category of word means part of speech. In grammar, the term part of speech is used. Class changing affixes. When words become new class after taking affixes. For example, if the word changes from verb to noun, etc., this is called class changing affixes. When words don't change their class after taking affixes, this is called class maintaining affixes. To derive means to obtain something from some other source. Derivational bound morphemes are used to create new words from other words through derivational affixes. These morphemes either change the class or modify the meaning of the root means previous word. As the words admiration and wonderful are the derivational forms of admire and wonder, so Asian and full are derivational bound morphemes here. Commonly prefixes and suffixes are used. Majority of suffixes are class changing. For example, nice is an adjective. After adding derivational morpheme ly, it has become an adverb nicely. Drinking, actor, happiness, affirmation, toaster, and variety, etc., they are all derivational bound morphemes. Another example, beauty is a noun. If we add full, it becomes beautiful adjective. And then if we add further suffix ly, beautifully becomes adverb. This is how new words are formed by the use of derivational bound morphemes. There are a few derivational morphemes that maintain their class. It means they don't change their part of speech after having suffixes as morpheme. For example, kingdom. King is a noun. After adding dom suffix, it retains its previous form noun as kingdom. So friendship is a noun. Friend is also a noun. Boy is a noun. And boyhood is also a noun. Their students, mostly prefixes are not class changing. They modify the meaning just. Decompose, it means compose mean to dissolve something, and decompose becomes the opposite of compose. It has changed the meaning from compose to decompose. It has become antonym of compose, but the class of the word hasn't been changed. Here compose is a verb and decompose is also a verb, so no change in class, just change in meaning. The same case with all verbs here. Monologue and applaud, etc. So inflectional is an adjective from the word inflect. Inflectional bound morphemes, generally suffixes, do not create new words but make words grammatically more specific. They are used to show if a word is singular or plural, if it is past tense or not, and if it is a comparative form of adjective or possessive form. In English, there are 8 inflectional bound morphemes. All inflectional bound morphemes are class maintaining. Possessive form, Ali's book. Use of S with third person singular subject, he, she, Ahmed reads, it rains. Ed in the second form of verb, past tense, past, or D in admired, etc. En in written, eaten, ing as present participle, he is writing. Wiser, est, wisest. You have noticed the word's category doesn't change, even the meaning doesn't change. Read remains verb even after having s with it. So the same case with all the words as pass, admire, too nicest, etc. That's it for this video.